Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to explain something very important that confuses a lot of people. The difference between Afro and round fade. Many clients and even some beginners mix these two hairstyles up. Sometimes a client comes into the barbershop with very low hair like this one here, and when you ask, what style do you want? They say, I want Afro round cut. And I am like, Afro round cut on low hair? What they actually mean is a round fade, not an Afro like this one here. Because technically, Afro cannot be done on very low hair. So today, I'm going to clearly explain the difference between Afro and round fade. So the next time you visit a barber shop, you will know exactly what to ask for. At the same time, I am also showing you how to properly trim and maintain Afro hair. When we talk about Afro, we mean full hair, natural hair growth, thick and evenly grown out, like this one that I'm working on here. Afro focuses on maintaining volume, balance and natural texture. As you can see, this is how Afro is properly trimmed and maintained. Now, what many people call Afro round cut is actually a round fade. A round fade is a low haircut that is faded smoothly around the head, creating a rounded shape, just like this one here. So the key difference is simple. Afro keeps the hair full. Round fade blends the hair down gradually. There are actually different types of round fades, and I'll be explaining those in my next video. So remember, Afro equals full natural hair with shape and volume. Round fade equals low haircut blended smoothly around the head. Knowing the difference helps you communicate better with your barber and get exactly the style you want. So now you know the difference between Afro and round fade. Next time you go to the salon, you will be able to ask for the right haircut with confidence. I hope this explanation helped you learn something new. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more barber tutorials. See you in the next video.